Alright, so I made this two-part J1772 adapter plug. So this locks the J1772 adapter onto this. This thing though, because it has the clip broken off, it's not really going to lock on it. Someone could just pull this out. But let me show you how this works. So basically you have the plug, here's the adapter, you slide that on, and then depending on the style, some of them have like a bigger clip here, some of them stick out further, so this piece by itself is too thin, as you can see. So this, it would go here, and you can see there's this gap here, because some models plugs, it'll be pushed out a bit more and it'll force it out this way. So I made this little adapter that goes on top of it or in front of it, and that goes in like that. You can see for smaller ones it adds a little bit extra tab right there over the clip. That way if you click it, it's still holding, okay? And now it's more flush with this. Obviously, depending how you plug it in the car, it's not going to be completely flush, so let me show you. I mean, depending on the style of the plug, you can see I plugged this in all the way, and you can see it still has a little bit of wiggle room here. Alright, and that's because this isn't also completely flush, but that's good because you don't want it too tight, otherwise it'll scrape up all around here. But there you go. Again, this design, because the clip, someone broke it off, you can yank this out, and that's dangerous because if it's charging, it'll spark. So make sure, even if this clip is broken, that you push this to trigger the unlock and then pull that off. But yeah, I'm gonna plug this in and charge, so I'll see you guys later. Alright, so let me show you with this. Here you go. This one actually has the clip on it. You can see this wiggles around, so it doesn't stop someone from pulling this up and pulling that out. So because of that, I made the two-part adapter. So let me show you. Okay, so with the first adapter on, we slide the second one in, just like this. Okay, sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. Now we got that, and we'll push that in. Now you see it has two pieces, and this can no longer slide beyond that, so you can pull this and it won't come out. All right, and there we go. There's the two-part adapter. You can use it on the bigger ones, the smaller ones, all the different kinds of J1772s. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.